can look at that.
So guys, tingnan lang papunta sa taas. Here naman kami sa another room. Ayan guys, ang ganda oh. Wala akong masabi. Ganda. The cotton. This one is like a meeting area. Now we're going to the other place, guys. Upstairs. Hurry back again. Ganda, guys. Wala akong masabi. Wow. Look at this. Ang laki guys ng lugar. What happened? Huh? So nice. Grabe guys, so amazing niya sa loob. Ang lawak ng lugar. Ang dami ng kwarto.